What's up guys, this is Y and today I'm gonna show you how to design first page of your brochure. So this is going to be a pretty simple design, and if that's what you want, let's get started. Cool. So this design has two variants. Like the first one is a modern pink variant and the second one is this one, which is classic white. I'm gonna show you how to create these simple looking designs for your brochure. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna just click on file and new. I'm gonna create a new document of width 1100 and height 1450, resolution to 300, and if you want to print it, then choose CMYK or else stick with RGB. Cool. Okay, so now I'm gonna just place my design. So before I place, I want to say that these designs are created by me and you can download them from the link in the description. Also, the complete project file of both the variants will be available to download, so make sure to check that out. Okay, I'm gonna just place my design. Let me just find it. Yep, this one. Cool. So it will have two variants, a shape pink and a shape white. For this tutorial I'm gonna use shape pink, but you can use the white if you want. Okay, cool. And now I'm gonna just click on background and go here and click in here. I'm gonna select a color that's dark enough but not black, like that. You can also enter the code. Cool. I'm gonna press Alt plus backspace. Cool. Now I'm gonna just place my checkboard texture. Cool. And I'm gonna just place it below the shape layer, and I'm gonna just decrease the opacity somewhere around 14%. Okay, I'm gonna create a new curves layer and create a clipping mask. I'm gonna just make a curve something like this. This will lighten out the texture a bit. Cool. Okay, so now the only thing we need to do is just add some text. So I'm gonna just select my text tool, and by the way, I'm using Helvetica font. You can download it from the link in the description, and I will choose say bold at around 48, and I'm gonna type in, for example, say pun. Cool. I'm gonna change to regular. Okay, and I'm gonna create another text layer and I'm gonna change it to regular, and I'm gonna type in live. Cool. So first of all, I'm gonna just arrange them. I'm gonna place the pun layer right there and the live somewhere around there. Cool. I'm gonna just click on the pun layer and go to effects, create a layer. Okay, and I'm gonna just select a nice pink color. Cool. And I'm gonna select a darker shade, something like that. Okay, that looks fantastic. Cool. I'm gonna change the angle, decrease the scale a touch. Again, that looks good. You can experiment with the colors. And by the way, if you are just using the white shape layer, so you can just change the gradient to somewhat like let's for example say white, and choose a grayish tone for this one. Okay, that looks good. And now just change the angle Okay, cool. So that looks good, but I'm gonna just stick with the theme of the pink. Cool. So now I'm gonna just create a new layer, select my rectangular marquee tool, and I'm gonna choose a white color. I'm gonna make a thin line. I'm gonna press Alt plus backspace. Cool. I'm gonna place it right there. Cool. Okay, so we need a bunch of text, so I'm gonna just copy it. I'm gonna just copy this text. I'm gonna create a new text layer. Cool. And by the way, if you're wondering how I created this kind of an effect, so what I just did was I just selected a part of text like the pun life and just change the color of that, like so. So you can do that to highlight your text. Cool. Right there. And I'll grab some more text. Cool. So I'm gonna just place it right there, and now I want to just duplicate this line. Press Ctrl plus J, and I'm gonna just place it right there. Cool. I'm gonna just make it a little smaller. Zoom in a bit. Yeah. And to change the color, I'm just gonna go to Effects, Color Overlay, and I'm gonna select this color. Cool. Okay, so let me just copy some more text. These are just a bunch of random text I copied from internet. You can type your own text right there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create this highlighted kind of text. So I'm going to just copy the text right there. Cool. I'm going to just create a new text layer and just paste it. Cool. Okay, so to create the highlight kind of effect, I'm gonna just create a new layer and grab my rectangular marquee tool. I'm gonna just make a selection of the text. Cool. Select the same pink color and I'm gonna press Alt plus backspace to fill in with that color, and I'm gonna place it below the layer and just decrease the opacity. Cool. Okay, and if you're doing the white theme, you can just control click in here and just select the white color and press Alt plus backspace to fill. Cool. So with this, our design is complete. Make sure to download the completed project file of both this and the white one. The link will be in description. And this was it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you never miss a future update. Also, if you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new today, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any query or feedback to give, the comment section is all yours. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace.